Good morning. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. It is early, but never too early to announce the winner of a giveaway. I hope you guys are having a great day or day of your choice, and this is going to make somebody's day even better. And they will have 48 hours to get in touch with me to claim their prize. And let's tell the winner with no further ado. It is Jenna Rotella. You're the winner. So you've got 48 hours to get in touch with me. I prefer on Instagram at Rhonda Said. And if you can't do that, then I'll put a comment or in the description below. It's so early. It's hard for me to talk. But in the description below, I'll put my email address. So, congratulations. You're a winner, baby. Have a great weekend, and we'll see each other real soon. Bye.